Hello everyone, today I will show you how to rotate a layer in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and this left sidebar, click on this arrow and this layer icon, select this one. Now select this option on this layer bottom and select your import as layer and this layer dialog box open. Firstly, you will find this browse option. Click here browse and import your layer. Which one you want to put as layer? And you select this one as layer. Now select open. And this layer rotation option. You can rotate it customly. Also, you can put individual rotation angle. And finally select OK. And give this layer name. And see this. Yeah.